No, I'm going to jail.
Oh, fuck. No, this nigga fuck. Bro, what the fuck? What can you buy from the store with your body count?
Well, my body count, I could buy from the store. Shit. A candy bar?
Candy bar? How much is a candy bar in this motherfucker?
Like $5?
$5, so you got 5 on.
Hey.
So, bro, nigga got an M for you, right?
Yeah.
You gotta pick one or the other. Which one you choosing? Are you sucking a dick or you taking a back shot?
Yeah, I'm just dying. What the fuck?
Nah, you can't.
What you mean I can't?
I mean, you might die from the back shots, but like, I don't know what you gon' like. You got
Pete,
like
Pete, though.
life on the line. All right, matter of fact, let's take out $1 million. Life on the line. You gotta pick one. What you doing? And you can't die. You got kids, all type of shit.
Shit, motherfucker.
You gotta live. You fighting for your life.
Shit, if you...
That's what I'm saying. Which one you doing?
But if you suck, like, Pete, you don't ain't say how long, so you can just go, and then you done.
You think somebody that got your life in their hands is gonna be satisfied with that? So, bro, honest opinion, what's worse? Taking them back shots willingly or sucking their dick willingly? You gotta tell me what's worse.
Repeat it again.
Taking the back shots willingly or sucking dick willingly? Yeah, bro. Both of that shit crazy. But think of them repercussions. Think of them repercussions.
I'm using hands too, bro.
If you want to use hands. That nigga he said, I got to use hands. Word up, what you doing?
I think the first one worse, bro.
What's the first one?
I ain't taking bad shot.
What y'all think worse? Taking back shots willingly or sucking dick?
What the fuck?
Wait, bro. What's worse? As you can see, the niggas disappeared. But I'm gonna keep on walking. I'm gonna keep on patrolling.
Why you that was Doja twin.
That nigga got scared.
That nigga really thought it was a real person.
Where'd you go?
That nigga gone. That's my favorite.
Oh God, I never saw that nigga. I'm like, what the fuck?
Where's the parties?
Nah, bro, this dead ass a bird.
Nathaniel.
Mufasa, come down. Mufasa. He said, I'm the king of this shit.
Once I kissed that bird, if I thought Luke Wall said I'm wrong.
Mufasa, come down. Oh, you need to hear me out, right? Your life on the line, right? You gotta pick one or you dead. You can't die, you got kids, you love your girl, your mom just called you, it's her birthday tomorrow. What you gonna do to get to your mama's birthday?
Fuck them kids, my mama understand.
Say no more. You got it here first, bro. These people not folding.
I ain't doing none of that shit, bro.
See, bro before you was like, he asked me, do he gotta use hands? Yo, I'm in Walmart. I'm in McDonald's. I got hella Zon in my pocket, and I got the Switch, right? I just sat down. Look who's next to me.
A few moments later.
I'm going to jail. I'm going to I can't even hold it.
Oh fuck, no, this nigga fuck. Look, they got the door. This nigga start running. This nigga look like he could be chill. Mind you, this nigga 10th drink.